Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to yet another video with myself, Angel Martinez, where I bring you value in all things content creation to empower you to get out there and create content because you, my friend, have a gift to share and the world needs to hear it. I am back with another important message to share with you. In this video, I want to talk about perception and why it is important to be your true, authentic self. This one is a bit tricky to explain. However, I'm going to share a couple examples with you to hopefully help you better understand what I'm here to explain to you. So anyway, your content based on what you put out, obviously, is going to give people a certain impression. And that impression is going to be based on their perception, which their perception is then going to be based on your content. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm gonna share a quick story that will bring this into perspective and hopefully help you understand my perspective a bit better. I was at an event and one of the attendees there, we know each other. So she comes up to me and of course we greet each other. And then she continues on to say, hey, how have you been? You guys have been doing great. Your business is blowing up. I've been following you on social media. I thought it was funny that she said that because I can understand why it may seem like that. It was like I knew what she was talking about when she mentioned your business is blowing up. Even though from my end, I haven't hinted or stated that my business is blowing up much at all through my content. So anyway, I followed that up and responded that my business has been doing really well. However, I think that what you're really referring to is my own personal growth, and my own personal growth has then fed off onto my business growth. So even though, yes, my business has grown, my business hasn't blown up. What has blown up is me, my own personal development. And that's the content that I have been sharing. I have been sharing more about myself and the work that I've been doing. This person also follows my wife, so maybe based on my wife's content, she is also adding in there, maybe, I don't know. People do usually refer to us and see us as one. I mean, we are kind of on the same mission together, so that makes sense. Another example is, let's say my wife posts a picture of us two and we look really happy and she shares something positive about us. What are people going to perceive? Oh, really? We're not the best marriage out there, even if that even exists. And this can lead off into a whole other topic of comparing yourself to a glimpse of what people post on social media. Again, guys, it's all perception. I can post something today that happened last week and people will see that as if it happened today. It's all perception. Basically, what you post and what you say is true, their perception of that is going to be true. So if what I just explained is true, which it is by the way, I'm going to prompt the question, what is important that you must do? It's okay, I'll wait. I'm gonna turn this into one of those kids shows where they ask a question and the little cartoon just stands there waiting for you to answer. And then when you do, yes, that's correct. Good job, amigo. It's important that you live an authentic life. That's the life you live in person, okay? In this reality world, this physical day-to-day world, that life is a reflection of what you post on social media and vice versa. The content you put out is also a representation of you, who you are. Please don't be one of those people that pretend to have some amazing life, but yet be miserable and a jerk in person. Create content that is true and authentic so that from the heart. True, meaningful, authentic content. That's how you create art. That's how you create meaningful content, by being authentic and telling your story as it is, not being fake about it. Your life is art. Your experiences and your unique perspective is all art. That's all you have to do. Just be you. All right, you guys. So that's my message for today. Thank you guys for sticking around, for watching. For those of you who reach out with your support, it truly means a lot to me. It makes things like so much easier for me knowing that I have your support. My name is Angel Martinez, and this is my message.